Ibinida ng San Miguel Corporation ng ultra-bilyonaryong si Ramon ang pagdating ng plug-in hybrid version ng BMW X5 sa bansa. Ang pasilip sa agenda report ng ating mobility correspondent, G. Baroga.
Inumpisahan ng BMW ang taon sa unveiling ng X5 plug-in hybrid. Ito rin ang kanilang pangatlong powertrain option kasunod ng internal combustion engine at mga fully electric model. Isang taon at kalahati na noong magsimula si Jacob Ang sa kanilang family business at nakikilala siya ngayon sa local luxury car scene. Hindi lang siya miyembro ng board, isa rin siyang tunay na enthusiast behind the wheel. Sa unveiling ng X5 PHEV, ibinahagi ni Jacob ang kanyang experience sa performance ng sasakyan na kanya ring daily driver sa nakaraang 3 buwan.
It's a really good car. It's pretty fast, 487 horsepower, 700 torque. I've had tests with it on the straight with comparably like a 992 GT3 RS. We were the same, but that's with it on the sport mode and 2 levels down. But I think the best highlight of this car would be the air suspensions, and when you leave it on the hybrid mode, it's seamless. You have 100 kilometers of electrified range, and I could attest to that because I use it every day.
Kung malakas ang performance ng X5 PHEV sa sport mode, binigyang diin din ni Jacob ang kakayahan nito kapag nasa full electric mode.
It's really quiet, it's good for city driving. 100 kilometers is actually true. You don't get any problems. You wouldn't even want to switch on the engine, honestly, because of the traffic.
Ayon sa BMW, ang X5 ay una pa lamang sa mga hybrid model na dadalhin nito sa Pilipinas at ito ay magdedepende sa market demand.
You will not be disappointed and our customers will not be disappointed with the product proposition, with the performance that we have now. Of course, walang coding.
Naniniwala ang BMW na makakatulong ang X5 PHEV sa pagtaas ng benta nito ngayong taon, kasunod ng pagtaas din ng demand para sa EVs na unang ipinakilala ng BMW noong nakaraang taon. Ang BMW X5 PHEV ay may retail price na 6,990,000 pesos. Para sa agenda, G. Baraga, Billionario News Channel.